Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessie and I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I make a special video on Sunday all about Rae Dunn. So if you're into Rae Dunn, you should definitely check out my Sunday videos. This video is actually inspired by a video I saw a couple weeks ago. Leah from Beauty and Ordinary Things did this tag. Thanks Leah, I'm gonna link her video up there for you guys to check out. So here is the new YouTubers tag. My name is Jessie at home, and I am not a Jessica. My dad was pretty adamant about me just being named Jessie, Jessie, but I grew up in the time of the Jessicas, so there's so many Jessicas around me, and my little pug is sleeping down here. If you hear snoring, it's him, like that. Technically I was born in Delaware, but I grew up in Maryland. All my elementary school years and middle school years and high school years and adulthood has been in Maryland, so I like to say I'm from Maryland. I am a Maryland girl through and through, even though I was technically born in Delaware. I am 5 feet 4 inches tall. I am the shortest one in my family. My daughter is even now surpassing me in height. My son is 6 feet, my husband is 6 feet, so yeah, I'm the shorty of the family. I have a younger brother and a younger sister. I am the oldest and their second mama. I'm a little bit older than them, and I kind of helped raise them in a way, as in I babysat them a lot after school and in the summer times, and kind of have always been like, you need to do better. You know, being that second mama. The actual a long time ago, I played video games. Here I'm snoring. A long time ago, I played video games. Video games is actually still kind of a big hobby of mine. I really enjoy it. I really like playing online with other people, and I was featured as like a guest, I guess, on their like YouTube channel. It never took off. It was just between like the four of us to like share videos and stuff. So technically, yeah, this is my first YouTube channel that is like my own, and like, you know, isn't about like shooting people in Call of Duty. My channel is a lifestyle channel, I guess I would call it. Cooking, cleaning, shopping, grocery hauls, monthly planning, pretty much whatever I want. I'm just having fun and kind of figuring out what I like to do and what you guys want to see. So if you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see more on my channel, just leave a comment below. You, if you're not already subscribed, should subscribe to my channel because I am awesome. I love creating a community, and I like doing collaborations. I see myself right here on YouTube, maybe not on this couch, maybe I'll have a new couch. Hopefully I still have this little puggy here with me. My kids will be a little bit more grown, so maybe I'll travel a bit more and I'll take you guys along with me. Maybe I'll probably need to learn how to cook for 2 instead of 4, because my kids will be like in college and out of the house. Basically, I just hope that this channel grows with me and I can grow with it as I downsize. And we can still have fun and make videos together and learn and do all kinds of fun stuff. What inspired me to start YouTube is you guys, other mamas out there that put their lives out on the internet for me to like consume and get recipe ideas and organizing ideas and like, you know, all the things. Like, you guys inspired me to start my YouTube channel. So hopefully I can inspire those who haven't started yet to start one as well. Okay, this might be embarrassing, but my favorite YouTubers, actually, I watch David Dobrik. I don't know if you guys watch him. He's kind of like this 20-year-old kid who makes really hilarious like 4-minute videos, and he posts Monday, Wednesday, Friday. He hangs out in a young group, a lot younger than me, but I always watch his videos with a smile, and I'm always laughing because his stunts are just crazy. I also love, as far as in my genre, I love Beauty and the Beastons. I think her name is Tiffany, and I think she is so real, and I just love her, and I love her little family, and she just had a baby girl. I've been following her. My username basically means that I am a hermit and I love my house. I find comfort in my home, and I find comfort in doing DIY in my home. I love like having parties in my home and just like celebrating in my, like I just love my home. So, you know, it's me, Jessie at home. So far, the best thing about YouTube is the amazing community that is here on YouTube. Whether it be different communities, gaming community, the beauty community, like the lifestyle mama community, you know, if you are looking for something to connect with, there is a genre for you or a niche for you. You can find somebody else that you can relate to and like be like, yes, these are my people, which is amazing for stay-at-home moms who might feel a little isolated or like afraid to like venture out and try and make friends in their own town. You never know, you might actually find somebody on YouTube that you can connect with in the real life. Like you guys can actually go meet up at a park with your kids or like something like that, you know. YouTube is amazing. The worst thing about YouTube is I honestly cannot think about the worst thing about YouTube. As far as haters go, they make me laugh, because if they get pleasure or they get like some sort of happiness from writing a hate comment or like thumbs downing my video, then guess what, guys? I made you happy when you hit that dislike button. So it may make me sad for like a moment, but after that it doesn't bother me, because I am here for the long haul. I'm gonna do what I love. I'm gonna put out the kind of content that I love, and I'm not going anywhere. So now watch, a bunch of people are gonna leave dislike buttons. It's okay. My goals as far as YouTube is concerned is to hit that 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 watch hours, and hopefully monetize my channel and like create a business. And there's one thing that I have to say, that there is room enough for us all to hit 1,000 subscribers or more, and for us all to make money at this, and for us all to succeed. So we shouldn't be jealous or like put down other mamas out here just trying to make this work. We should like band together and make sure that we all get up there and hit 1,000 subscribers, and we can all do this together, guys. It's not a competition. My advice for new YouTubers or people who are even thinking about starting a YouTube channel is obviously to just do it. Get your camera on your phone horizontally, please don't do it vertically, horizontally, and film yourself cleaning or doing a haul or whatever. Just put yourself out there. Don't be afraid. There's plenty of people who are super supportive, and we want you to succeed. I want you to succeed. Check out other ladies in our genre and leave positive, uplifting, meaningful comments. Watch their video. You like that? Throw a blanket on their couch? Comment, I like that, throw a blanket on your couch. Like, that means the world to me when I load up my my dashboard and I see people who leave comments, even if it's just, hey, I'm stopping by, this isn't relevant to me, but thank you for being you and thank you for sharing. That is amazing. That means the world to me, and hopefully it means the world to you guys when I leave comments on your videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So check out my Rae Dunn if you're into Rae Dunn on Sundays. And Monday, I'll be back with a cleaning video. Bye, guys.